हरि ओम। ओम गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरुरेव परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। I offer my pranam at the holy feet of Brahmalin Pujya Gurudev Swami Chinmayananda Ji, founder of Chinmaya Mission, Pujya Guruji Ji, Mukhya Swami Swarupananda Ji, Global Head Chinmaya Mission, Her Holiness Swamini Samyuktananda Ji, Resident Acharya Chinmaya Mission Bokaro. It is my pleasure to welcome Shri Mahesh Tripathi, Secretary Chinmaya Vidyalaya Bokaro, in Shri Ashok Kumar Jha, Principal, Chinmaya Vidyalaya Bokaro, in charges, academic supervisors, teachers, respected parents, and my adorable children. I heartily welcome you all to the celebration of annual prize distribution session 2019-20. I'm sorry. We will begin the program with our traditional auspicious Diya lighting as a tribute to Gurudev and Goddess Saraswati, the epitome of knowledge. So I would like to request all the dignitaries to please come up on the stage for Diya lighting.
Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mriturgamaya Amritam Gamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Prayer works wonders. Prayer should spring from the heart. Thinking of a supreme power beyond all human inadequacies is a kind of autosuggestion. Over to our music department for the invocational song.
Ram Ramalu Ram Bhajan Kare Ram Bhajan Kare Rom Rom Ram Ramalu राम भजन कर, राम भजन कर। जीवन सफल बनाना है तो, जीवन सफल बनाना है तो, राम पुनीत बना दे। राम भजन कर, राम भजन कर। राम नाम को जपन सुलभ है, राम नाम का सुमिरन शुभ है। ओ राम नाम को जपन सुलभ है, राम नाम का सुमिरन शुभ है। राम नाम ही जल थल नभ है, जल थल नभ है। राम से प्रीत लगा, राम भजन कर, राम भजन कर, राम भजन कर, राम भजन कर। राम नाम को हर पल जपना, राम भक्ति भाव का झरना। राम नाम को हर पल भजना, नाम है भक्ति भाव का झरना। राम ही गंगा, राम ही जमुना, राम ही गंगा, राम ही जमुना। भजन तो सुख पाए, राम भजन कर, राम भजन कर। रोम रोम में राम रमावे, राम भजन कर, राम भजन कर। जीवन सफल बनाना है तो, राम पुनीत बना दे। राम भजन कर, राम भजन कर।
Thank you for Heavenly Ariels for letting the goodness sparks to a spiritual chain reaction with your melodious voices. Music is a moral law. It gives soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, and charm to life. So here comes our music department once again with the welcome song.
स्वागतम 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 स्वागतम। कैसा पावन सुहावन समय आज है, कैसा पावन सुहावन समय आज है। आप आए अतिथियों में सरताज है, कैसा पावन सुहावन समय आज है। आप आए अतिथियों में सरताज है। देव की भांति पूजन करे आज हम, देव की भांति पूजन करे आज हम। स्वागतम 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 स्वागतम, मन के वीणा सुगंधित ध्वनि मंगलम। स्वागतम 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 स्वागतम। मन की बगिया से हमने है कलियां चुनी, श्रद्धा के फूल से हमने माला बुनी। मन की बगिया से हमने है कलियां चुनी, श्रद्धा के फूल से हमने माला बुनी। करते हैं मिलक अर्पित सुमन आज हम, करते हैं मिलक अर्पित सुमन आज हम। स्वागतम 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 स्वागतम, उनके बिना सुगंधित ध्वनि मंगलम। उनके बिना सुगंधित ध्वनि मंगलम। स्वागतम 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 स्वागतम, मन के बिना सुगंधित ध्वनि मंगलम। स्वागतम 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 स्वागतम।
Thank you so much, sir. That was really wonderful. Now, next, I would like to invite our respected principal, sir, the sculptor of human character, a seasoned scholar, and a navigator of this flagship of knowledge, to address the parents.
तज्ज्ञानं प्रशमकरं यदिन्द्रियाणां तज्ज्ञेयं यदुपनिषत्सु निश्चितार्थं। ते धन्या भुवि परमार्थनिश्चितेः शेषास्तु भ्रमनिलये परिभ्रमन्तः। Respected Secretary Sir, Sri Mahesh Tripathi, Chinmaya Vidyalaya Bokaro, dear in charges, all academic supervisor, dear parents, students, Hari Om to all of you. Chinmaya Vidyalaya very heartily welcomes you to the annual prize distribution ceremony for the academic session 90-20 through the virtual mode, online mode of the prize distribution. We cordially thanks to the parents and the students for showing up here today upon our request. It gives us immense pleasure to all of us to declare the names of the budding superstar in the field of academics and award them for their outstanding performance. Dear parents and the children, annual prize distribution day is not just today to reward our students, but this day especially organized to make our students believe that their efforts do not go unrecognized and that they are an asset of this Vidyalaya and our country. Right now, the coronavirus pandemic is forcing global experimentation with the remote teaching. No doubt, the transition to online teaching learning due to the COVID-19 was suddenly and hasty. But when done right, online learning become with many benefit. The current fight against the coronavirus is something that concern for all of us, and therefore it is a very important to follow the guidance from the World Health Organization to stay at home. But this should not mean that we must stop learning process. Chinmaya Vidyalaya is operating in accordance with the guidance from the local government and the public health authorities across the country. We have COVID-19 crisis does not impact the academic excellence of our students. Let us join the hand. All the best to all of the participants. But in the lastly, I would like to tell you that those who are going to get the prize today and those who are also not, in your life, you must have willpower. That is, and that willpower, that is, it should come from when you will develop some confidence in you, as you have developed, all of you. And that confidence is possible only when we will actually happy, even in Vidyalaya. So, if you'll see the scenario worldwide, there are so many successful people who was not much more literate in any field, whether in the field of sports or IT or academics or science and technology, but they have performed a lot. They became successful in his or her life. Apart from these, you might have seen also certain people worldwide, their parents are not much more rich, but they all achieve the certain achievement in his life and they become successful because of willpower. That is called Ichha Shakti. And that Ichha Shakti, there are three fundamental principles. If you adopt in your life, then definitely nothing will be impossible for all of you, whatever you decided today. The first, willpower, that I told, that is called Ichha